Whereas on the back of order win, Antony Waste Handling is in focus, where company's subsidiary AG Enviro Infra, which is a wholly owned which is a subsidiary of the company, has secured two municipal solid waste collection and transportation contract from the BMC with a total contract value of rupees 1,330 crore, and the contract have been awarded to a consortium structure as a joint venture comprising of AG Enviro Infra, which hold a 51% stake, which is followed by Jiga Transport 29% and MK Enterprise with 20% stake in this joint venture. And under the terms of the contract, the joint venture will undertake the collection and transportation of municipal solid waste using own new vehicles, and the waste being transported to designated landfill site, and the operational scope of covers handling around 1,250 metric tons per day of the waste, which includes approximately 650 MTPD from the Mumbai's A, B, C and D wards, and about 600 MTPD from the N, S and T wards. And strategically, this 7 years contract enhance long-term revenue visibility for the company and will strengthen the Antony Waste leadership positions in the urban municipal solid waste management, especially in the Mumbai region. And they also reinforce the group's proven execution capabilities in managing large-scale project in a high-density metropolitan environment. And lastly, commenting on this on this order, when management said that this order reinforced the company's leadership in executing large-scale municipal waste operation across Mumbai urban market. So back of this order, when Antony Waste is in focus, and the stock is up more than 18%.